Heat transfer is an essential part of our daily lives. The disparity in the temperature between the heat waves and their surroundings is the reason for that. The universe will continuously see an increase in entropy over time, just like an isolated system would. According to the second law of thermodynamics, there is no way for the entropy of the universe to reduce. Around us, heat transfer occurs. In addition in being evident in our daily situations, heat transfer is also identified as heat being absorbed or heat being released in chemical processes and many tests. An example of reaction that
There
yields
are
salt and
different
water is the
cases that
neutralization
proves that the
reaction,
heat transfer
also
is
referred to
evident
as
in
the
the chemical
acid-base reaction.
reactions.
This reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, also known as one of the neutralization reactions, result in an exothermic reaction in which the heat released by the base and acid reactants to produce salt and water as the products. A further example of heat transfer in a chemical reaction is the reaction between the sodium bicarbonate and the acetic acid, in which heat is absorbed by the reaction from its surroundings, leading to an endothermic type of reaction and a drop of product temperature.
A type of reaction known as hydrocarbon combustion occurs when hydrocarbons react with oxygen gas or with heat to release energy. This reaction results in the production or release of heat, carbon dioxide, and water. Methane, for instance, burns and releases carbon dioxide and heat into the atmosphere, causing an exothermic reaction. Furthermore, since it can produce a significant amount of power and heat, hydrocarbon combustion is an essential process in many industries, including transportation and energy production.
Melting is a type of chemical reaction that changes a solid material from a solid state back into a liquid state. It also changes a liquid substance into a gaseous state. The fact that both of these reactions are endothermic and take in heat from their surroundings unites them. Subliquid substances, on the other hand, need more heat to become liquid. For instance, heat from the system is absorbed by water when it freezes and turns into ice, which then melts and becomes water. In the meantime, there is an endothermic reaction that occurs when the water absorbs heat and changes into water vapor.
One specific type of reaction wherein metal corrodes when oxygen is used in the presence of hydrogen oxide and other environmental factors, eventually losing its luster and structural integrity. One instance of corrosion-induced color change is the Statue of Liberty, which is housed in New York City, USA. This is due to the copper's exposure to moisture and air, which causes it to release heat into the surrounding space and cause an exothermic reaction.